Hi, what are Google Apps? If you want to know about Google Apps, try to watch this video. What are Google Apps? Why we use Google Apps? And what are the list of different Google Apps? And where to see all the Google products? If you don't know, I will show you what are the all these questions you will be answered. What are Google Apps? Google is not a single one. It is a combination of applications. All the applications and services provided by Google are called Google Apps, which is short for actually Google Applications. Google Applications. In the beginning, Google began like a search engine, but later on it developed into like Google Applications. Still today, Google search engine is the top one in Google, which is accounting for 60% of all the internet searches. Along with search engine, Google has developed a number of web-based applications. This is important, web-based, not softwares, but actually these are web. They work on the web, just like a websites in the browser. That's why it is called web-based applications that have collectively become known as Google Apps. Google Apps means Google Applications. Even in detail, Google web-based applications. Those are Google. This is Google web-based applications. Google Apps means all the Google products collectively called Google Apps. All the applications which Google provides for different purposes are called Google Apps. You might know already Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive. If you don't know, we will see this channel is dedicated to Google Apps. There are around 15-20 Google Apps applications are there. We see all the applications in detail in this channel. Why and where we use Google Apps? Why we use Google Apps? Because they are free. Because they are free to use. They are free to use for individual purpose. Gmail, for example, if you take Gmail, they give 15 GB free, which is more than enough to store all the emails of an individual. So that is wonderful. That is wonderful Google application. All the Google Apps provide assistance in handling office productivity and personal productivity. For example, if you are having 2-3 guys in an office, like office, definitely all the applications are useful in your office. By this time you might have already using personal productivity for personal purposes, like you might be having Gmail and you are using that for different communications. Like this, Google Apps have a number of advantages over traditional office suite applications. Google Apps now take us into the cloud computing. These days you might have heard about this term, cloud computing. If you don't know, I'm going to develop a video. Please watch that video about cloud computing. You should know about cloud computing. Nowadays everything is a cloud. Nowadays everything is cloud. Means web-based. Simply called web-based. All Google Apps are actually cloud-based. That's why we use. Where we use means for offices and personal life. And what are the list of Google Apps? You might know about only Gmail or Google Drive, something like that. But there are a huge number of applications are there for different purposes, like web. For example, web. Google Search is there already, Chrome and Toolbar. These are the 3 applications. If you look after for mobile, there is a separate Google mobile application is there, and Maps for mobile and Search for mobile. These 3 are specifically for mobiles. And media, images and all those things, videos. YouTube, you might know, by this time you have watched YouTube videos and you might have done image search, not only text based, but you can search the images. And Picasa, this is a storage for images. And Google Books, Google News, these are all media related applications. You might be using image and YouTube more, but other things also there. And maps, Google Maps, you might be, if someone wants to, if you want to tell something, your location to your friend, then you might use Google Maps. And Panoramio, this is one more application you will come to know in future. And specialized, you can search blogs, alerts, scholar, trends, and Drive, Gmail, Google Cloud Print, Calendar, Translate, and social, Blogger, groups, Hangouts, Orkut, and Innovation Code. See, these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Just it listed on the website. That is what is Google Apps. I will show you. This is the link actually. I will show you how to search and see all those Google products. Just open Google. Just open Google and go to Gmail. If you want to see Google products, for example, Google products, PRODUCTS. Actually, if this is a Chrome browser, then automatically it will take over here. This is actually the place you can go and see all the Google products. If you click on more, these are the more, and even more from Google. See, this is what all the products from Google. These are all the products from Google. Web-based, web search, toolbar, Google Chrome, mobile, maps for mobile, search for mobile, and media, YouTube, books. If you right click and click open new window, now it takes to YouTube. Like this, image search. If you want to do image searching, you can do image searching here. Like this, these are the different kinds of Gmail. It takes to Gmail. Now you can open Gmail and all those things. So these are the list of Google Apps. In the next videos we see what are all those things, just overview of in details overview all those things. Thank you so much.